Let's take a look at problem 1, measuring segment lengths. We need to find out what is ST. S is -4, shown here on the number line. S -4. T is 8. So looking at the number line, T is 8. We need to find the distance between S and T. The way we do that is we take the absolute value of -4 minus 8. That will tell us the distance of ST. When you do that, you'll get absolute value -12. And the absolute value of -12 is 12. That's the distance of how far is that number from 0. Let's take a look at got it number 1 and see what we come up with. Let's take a look at postulate 1-6, segment addition postulate. What's that trying to tell us? That's saying if 3 points A, B, and C are collinear, which means on one line, and B is between A and C, so here's B, it's between A and C, then we could say AB, this section right here, plus BC, added together, that would give you the total length of AC. Let's use that to help us with problem number 2. Problem 2 is asking, using the segment addition postulate, find the length of EG. Or I should say EG is 59. What are EF and FG? So in problem 2, we're going to use the segment addition postulate to find out what are the lengths of EF and FG given EG is 59. If you write down all the key information that we are given, you see that EG is 59 from the beginning of the problem. And looking at the line segment over here, to tell us that EF is 8x minus 14, and FG is 4x plus 1. So if I put it all together in this chart, we can use the segment addition postulate to find out what each segment equals. Setting it up as EF plus FG, that equals EG. We'll substitute in the information for EF and FG and set it equal to 59. After adding our like terms, we get 12x minus 13 equals 59. We want to get the 12x by itself, so we have to do the opposite of minus 13. So we're going to add 13 to both sides, and we get 12x equals 72. And when you divide by 12, you'll get x equals 6. Then all you need to do is take the 6 and substitute that in for the x in this line segment and the x in that line segment. When you do that, you end up with EF equals 8x minus 14, which means you have 8 times 6 minus 14, and then you get 48 minus 14 to give you 34. Then if you substitute in x in the other equation for the 4x plus 1 up here in this line segment, you'll get 4 times 6 plus 1, which is just 24 plus 1 equals 25.